put the spurs to it. I have a confession to make. I have a guilty pleasure now. What I like is the Mocha Frappuccino or Mocha Frappe or whatever they call it at McDonald's. So I was looking through YouTube the other day and I found a copycat recipe and I tried it. It's pretty good. Let me show you how to make it. We're going to start with 2 cups of frozen coffee, which just happens to be an entire ice tray. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, oh, I'm getting there. Usually do this over the sink for obvious reasons. There. That's the coffee. Now, we need 2.5 tablespoons. Is it 2.5? No, I think it's 3.5. 3.5 tablespoons of sugar. I didn't say this was diet. I don't think McDonald's sells health food. So here's 1, 2, 3.5. And then we need 3.5 tablespoons of good old Hershey's chocolate syrup. So 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a half. And just a little bit for me. And then 2 cups of milk. Well, let's take this and just rinse it around in the milk. I hate to waste chocolate syrup. Okay. So, 2 cups of milk. And that's all we need for that. Put this on here. You all remember my Forever blender. Okay, here goes. And we whip it up for a while. It's a whipping. Got the vortex going. Let me put the spurs to it. Okay. There we go. Now, need a nice tall glass. That was stupid. I forgot to put this little lid on top. It could have gone everywhere. Oh well. Put this in here. Then I have the spare glass over here, because this makes enough for 2. Or 1 if you really want to just sit there and get such a buzz on your head that you can't think straight. Okay. All right. Now, to make it like McDonald's, you've got to have this. We're gonna okay. And finally, a little drizzle of syrup on top. Thing is, if you get this at McDonald's, they put that plastic lid on top and it gets all squished up. But there it is, a copycat Mocha Frappuccino. Oh. Yep. Well, I gotta clean up. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe and click on my little face over here. And we'll see you next time. Bye.